Oh, thank you.
Bill, another mission? After everything you've been through, all our kids are in the military doing their part. Can't we enjoy our time together? You sure you want to do this?
Karen, after being in the military so long, and especially finishing up in Afghanistan, it's hard to come home and just sit around and not really do something. I need to do something. I need to make a difference. With everything happening right now in the world, it's hard to sit on the sidelines and not do something. I need to do something. Hey, Mike. Hey, good to hear from you.
Hey Bill, Karen called. She said you had something you wanted to talk about.
Yeah, I have a lot in my mind.
She said you're considering running for U.S. Senate.
I've been thinking about it. You know how frustrated I was after Afghanistan. Do you really think I can make a difference?
Yeah, Bill, I really think you can make a difference. You should run.
Thanks, Mike, for your thoughts. Let me sleep on it, and when I decide, I'll let you know right away.
Sounds good, Bill.
Hey, thanks. Appreciate it. Take care. What should I do? Well, I better get ready for dinner, that's for sure.
So, Bill, did Mike get in contact with you?
He did, and he said you talked to him.
I did, and he thinks you should run. He thinks you have a good chance of winning.
You know, this is like another mission. We've done this before. We know it's going to be tough on the family. It's a lot of work, a lot of competition. You know I won't forget.